Okay, what we have here is a 1965 Thunderbird that my uncle has owned for roughly 18 years, I believe. It's got brand new tires with less than 20 miles on them, brand new tubes. Those are true spoke wheels, by the way, all the way around. Okay. We put a new window regulator in it. The motor in it is the 390 high performance, 300 horsepower. It's got less than 2,000 miles on it, the transmission and the rear end. It was done in a restoration project. In the last 18 years, he's only put 2,000 miles on this car. It's never been wrecked. It's got no hidden rust, except for the only thing is 2 years ago, a hailstorm here in Phoenix pelted the vinyl top and allowed it to crack up. And so there's a mild surface rust up underneath there. Okay? That's the only rust. Now, this is what makes this car, okay, so valuable. Hasn't been started in, say, I think a week and a half. Okay? Pump the gas one time. Turn the key. Oops. See how easy that turned over? Barely had to turn 1 or 2 turns. Alright, it runs perfect, track's perfect. Unfortunately, the speedometer bounces around because of internals. There's a new brake master cylinder. Super clean. Chrome is good. And that beats the engine right there. Brand new battery, brand new master cylinder. The AC compressor went out, I think it was when he first got 18 years ago. And the other thing is the rear window electric motors don't go up and down. This thing's so, other than that, everything's perfect. It's got a new radiator. Oh, carburetor was just rebuilt. Other than that, that beats it.